This video covers the proper steps to weatherproof both Ethernet and RF N-type cable connections on both Proxim, Tsunami, and ORiNOCO outdoor units. Issues and consideration discussed in this video are solely limited to the protection of electronic communications equipment and do not address safety code requirements which are beyond the scope of this video. Since electrical safety and building codes vary with locality, it is the responsibility of the system integrator to determine what is required for compliance wherever the system is being deployed. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the kit itself, the weatherproofing kit. We're going to go from left to right. What we have is the flat washer, the connector body, the compression washer, the compression ring, and then the sealing nut. Okay, as you could see here, this is the way that they should be around the Ethernet cable. Okay, here is our RJ45 jack, and this is the one that's going to be connecting to the radio itself, and of course this is going towards the PoE. This is what it should look like. If it doesn't look like this, then it's not going to seal correctly, and then you're going to have water problems and things like that. All right, the other items you're going to need for the weatherproofing is going to be anti-seize tape. This is the tape that's going to be put around the threads. We have the butyl mastic tape. This is the sticky, gooey stuff that's going to protect everything. Okay, and last but not least is going to be a vinyl tape. Good old-fashioned electrical tape. Going to need a roll of that as well. With the weatherproof kit constructed around the Ethernet cable and the Teflon tape already wrapped around the threads, thread in the first barrel into the unit itself. This is going to be hand tight. After it is tight, go ahead and start working on the outer barrel. Make sure that this is also hand tight. Wrap a vinyl tape in a half-lap fashion from the waterproof connector end. Continuous wrapping until 3 inches into the cable. As you can see, I already started doing the taping from the bottom. I'm going to go up to about 3 inches up, then I'm going to stop. Wrap a second layer of the vinyl tape over the first layer by going the opposite direction. You're still going to go up to the 3-inch mark, and then we're going to stop, and then we're going to cut the tape. Now wrap a layer of vinyl tape with the adhesive side up, as it provides a sticky surface for the next layer. Start from the bottom and once again work your way up to that 3-inch mark. And go ahead and stop and cut the tape. Next, wrap a layer of butyl tape to the adhesive side. We're going to start from the bottom. We're going to work our way all the way up and going to stop at the 3-inch mark. Just like that. Make sure that the tape is nice and secure. And tight. Finally, wrap vinyl tape over the butyl layer. Once again, you're going to start from the bottom. We're going to work all the way up to our 3-inch mark on top of the cable. And that is done. Now we could see it is weatherproofed from top to bottom. Okay, so what you're looking at here is on the RF side, the cable. So you could see one side has no weatherproofing at all, and then you have the other side that does. The procedure is completely identical, okay, to that of the Ethernet side. So this is just a reference for you. All right. One thing I do have to mention is that on both sides, if you will, on the radio side and on the antenna side, which I'm going to show here in a minute, if there is no weatherproofing and there is moisture in the connectors themselves, you are going to lose about 20 to 25 dB SNR, and that is extremely important to understand, because on the troubleshooting side, you're going to be asking, why is my SNR, why is my RSL so low? And chances are it's going to be because of that. Okay, so now you're looking on the opposite side. So this is the antenna. Again, this is with nothing on it, and this is the way that it should look with the weatherproofing. The procedure is identical, so please refer to the main video. If you have any questions at all on this, please go ahead and contact Proxim Technical Support, and we'll be more than happy to assist you.
To learn more about Proxim Wireless and our solutions, please visit us at proxim.com or follow us at Twitter @Proxim.